What if I told you the rockets aren't just headed for Mars? They're pointing straight at your financial future. That every fiery launch from SpaceX isn't just a feat of engineering. It's a signal, a warning, an opportunity. In this video, we're not just talking about space, we're talking about wealth, timing, and your next move. Also, did Elon Musk really say the next civilization might be run by AI Martians? Nope, but admit it, you kept listening. Let's start on Earth, right here, right now. Because while rockets pierce the sky, most of us are grounded, worrying about inflation, rent, and side hustles that barely pay gas money. But here's the truth. SpaceX isn't just launching rockets, it's launching revolutions, reusable rockets, satellite internet, interplanetary logistics. And every time one of those Falcon 9 boosters lands with surgical precision, it's a message to investors, innovators, and anyone chasing wealth. Adapt or be left behind. This isn't just about space, it's about domination in communication, defense, AI, energy, and yes, finance. Imagine owning the roads and then charging tolls for every car. That's what SpaceX is building with Starlink and beyond. And no, sadly, you can't buy SpaceX stock on Robinhood. Trust me, we've all checked at 2 a.m. with hopeful eyes. So here's the question smart minds are asking. If SpaceX isn't publicly traded, how can we profit from its orbit? Let's zoom out. Think ecosystem. Like how gold rush millionaires didn't find gold. They sold the shovels. Companies supplying SpaceX, Northrop Grumman, L3 Harris. Starlink's ripple effects boosts in 5G infrastructure. Space-based energy? Start tracking solar satellite tech startups. And then there's one unlikely player, XOM. Yes, the oil giant. Stay with me, this will make sense. Before we get there, let's talk about mindset. Because this isn't just about catching the next trend, it's about thinking exponentially. In a world chasing likes, SpaceX is chasing planets. While others are stuck in 9-to-5s, Musk is playing 100-year chess. The wealthy aren't waiting for the world to change. They're building rockets to escape it. You don't need to become Elon, but you do need to learn from his playbook. Build what matters. Think in decades. Move fast. Own the infrastructure. Let's bring this back to Earth. Here's your financial re-entry strategy. 1. Follow the infrastructure. Invest in companies fueling SpaceX's rise. 2. Bet on exponential trends. Think long-term. AI, satellites, clean energy. 3. Own assets that will matter tomorrow, not just today. But remember how I mentioned Exxon? Here's the twist. Space tech and energy are converging. While SpaceX builds launch systems, ExxonMobil is quietly investing in carbon capture, hydrogen tech, and space-based energy patents. It's not just a fossil fuel company, it's evolving. And if you ignore companies like XOM in 2025, you may be missing one of the biggest pivot plays of the decade. The sky is no longer the limit. We are living through a moment in history where your financial decisions can either anchor you to Earth or lift you towards something much bigger. So what's next? If you're serious about building wealth in this new era, and if the idea of investing in the next generation of energy intrigues you, watch this next. Is XOM stock a smart investment in 2025? The future is already lifting off. Question is, will you be on board?